Today we're going to go ahead and take a look at these motorcycle gloves right here. So if you're looking for some new riding gloves, I think these ones are great. They're very durable material. They're also touchscreen. So with these 3 fingers right here, you do get these pads, as you can see, going around. So let's say you just got done riding and you want to call someone on your phone, you can go ahead and do so. It's going to be touchscreen compatible with those. So very nice. It is very breathable. And as you can see, it's got very, very nice protection here on the knuckles, especially because there's a lot of bone involved there. So it has that nice protection there. And of course, it does come in a pair. I got mine in the large size. My hands are pretty much like a normal size here, and they fit perfectly. You do get a Velcro strap to go ahead and adjust it and fit it around your wrist. So very, very nice. I like to keep it pretty tight on the wrist there. And I really like them. So if you are looking for some new riding gloves, I'd highly recommend these ones right here. Very nice and durable.